This is our baby Budgie. As you can see, our little one is developing very nicely. The cere looks like it might be turning blue, but that's not an indication yet of gender. The cere doesn't really change fully for a bit yet. I'm not exactly sure when. I'd have to check that. But I know early on it tends to not be an indication yet. Oh yeah, nice and warm in my hand, right? I give off a lot of warmth, don't I? Must be nice in there. You even get into the sunlight a little bit. As you can see, everything's fleshing out very nicely. Baby bird's getting very itchy as those feathers come in, start scratching and moving about a lot. Now it usually takes 30 to 40 days for all their first feathers to come in. And I'd say it's going to take probably closer to 30 and maybe even less, since we only have our one baby bird here for Booster to keep track of. It's very tiring to be a baby bird, you're right.